So here I will begin with a door rinse in the color crimson and put a generous amount into my mixing container. Then I will use peroxide developer in 40V just to heighten the color and let it grab onto my hair better. This is what works best for me. Also, I put conditioner in it to help lighten up the red and protect my hair. Now you gotta give that a good whisk. Now it's a little liquidy, so I'm gonna add a little bit more of my crimson in there to thicken it up. Time to apply. Do you see how bland my hair is? No color to it, all washed up and dull. Well, that's about to change. Make sure you comb out your hair and it's not free mostly. And have your towel on standby for any splatters or splashes that is most likely to happen. Now I like to start with my face, like around my head, making sure I get all the areas that will be seen when my hair is in a ponytail. Very good because my hair is always in a ponytail. Now my roots are not bleached, so it won't take on my roots, but some of my hair fell out a couple of months ago, so I have sharp pieces. So I just do like everything to make sure everything is well coated. Now you want to section the hair, put up the half you're not using, and just do little small parts at a time. The smaller the parts, the more likely you are to get every single strand. My hair is very fine, so I don't need that many parts. Oh yeah, look at that new growth. You just want to brush it on there. Don't be scared. So I just gathered everything up into a high ponytail or bun and make sure I get the bag. And I'm going to just pour the rest of the container on top and let it saturate in there and massage it like all together. You have to let this sit on your head for about 20 minutes and then you wash it and condition it. Here is the results. My hair isn't fully dry yet, so it does get even more vibrant once it dries, and I love it. Thanks for watching.